Good evening, this is Publica Digital, for the public by the facts. I am Pinky Babiera de la Calzada. Tonight we begin with developments in national politics. The House of Representatives has dismissed impeachment complaints filed against President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. Lawmakers ruled that the complaints were insufficient in substance, effectively halting the impeachment process at this stage. Under the Constitution, once an impeachment complaint is dismissed, no new complaint may be filed against the same official within 1 year. The complaint cited allegations including graft, corruption, and betrayal of public trust. Malacanang welcomes the House decision, saying the accusations lacked merits. With the dismissal, President Marcos remains in the office without immediate impeachment proceedings, and the tensions now shift to legislative priorities and governments in the months ahead. Meanwhile, the diplomatic tension continues in the West Philippine Sea. China has barred 16 officials from the Municipality of Kalayaan from entering its territory, including mainland China, Hong Kong, and Macau. The move follows the Kalayaan local government officials' decision to declare a Chinese diplomat persona non grata amid the ongoing maritime disputes. Kalayaan is part of the disputed island group in the West Philippine Sea, an area that remains a focal point of geopolitical tension between Manila and Beijing. Philippine officials have repeatedly emphasized the country's sovereignty rights under international law, particularly the 2016 arbitral ruling that invalidated China's expansive claim. The situation underscores continuing friction between the two nations as both sides maintain firm position on territorial and diplomatic issues. In response to recent developments, Senate President Vicente Sotto III has criticized what he described as pro-China stance among some officials. He called such position lamentable, especially in light of the ongoing tension in the West Philippine Sea. The Senate has also adopted a resolution condemning statements from the Chinese embassy that were perceived as disrespectful toward Philippine officials and national sovereignty. Lawmakers say the resolution reaffirms the Senate's position in defending Philippine territorial integrity. In international news, the United States Department of Justice has just released millions of pages of documents related to Jeffrey Epstein's case. The disclosure includes investigative files, financial records, and other materials compiled during federal investigations. The release follows public and legislative pressure for greater transparency surrounding the high-profile case involving allegations of sex trafficking and abuse. While officials say the publications comply with transparency measure, lawmakers and observers continue to review the documents to determine whether additional disclosure may be necessary. The development has renewed public attentions on the broader legal and institutional questions surrounding the case. And those are our latest developments tonight, from national politics and territorial disputes to international legal updates. For continuing coverage and deeper context on these stories, subscribe to Publica Digital, for the public by the facts. I'm Pinky Babier de la Calzada. Stay informed, stay engaged. Good night.